Alright, welcome to a new video. Hope you guys are well. Today we're making a front lip for the car. I've been meaning to do this for a while. So this is my version of making a front lip. Now there's various videos out there on how people are making lips. This is just my version of doing it. This is my way. It's not the right way, it's not the wrong way, it's just my way. So hope you guys enjoy it. So what we're going to be doing is starting off with some HIPS plastic. That's some high impact polystyrene. Now this is used for various things like mold making, signage, things like that. I've got it in 2mm, so nice and thin, easy to work with to cut the initial shape. Once we've got the initial shape, we're gonna take it back off the lip again, and then we're gonna lay some carbon fiber over it. 2 layers of carbon fiber, wet lay some carbon fiber, trim it all up, lacquer it, and then put it on. So yeah, let's get to trimming and putting some carbon fiber on it, and we'll catch up after that. Right, so we just put the first layer of carbon fibre onto the epoxy black base coat. Obviously that's going to adhere it to the plastic. What I'm going to do is going to put one more skin of carbon fibre over that. Obviously we've got to let that dry for about 24 hours first, then I can do that. But in the meantime I've been doing some other little bits and pieces which you might like. It's something very, very small, but I had a load of carbon fibre sheet left over, so I thought why not. Right, you can see there's access panels all over the back of the bed, and they are those panels. Now I've literally just covered it in the silver tape and put a skin of carbon over there. I'm going to do one more layer of carbon, so it'll be two skins of carbon on there. I've just done a couple test pieces here, so they've got 2 layers on them and the resin, so I'm going to check those out in the morning, see how they look. They should be fine. And also in the morning I'm going to put more resin, well, put some resin on that and then adhere the second layer of carbon on there. There we go. So we've got the carbon fibre laid down now. The next step is pretty simple. It's long-winded, but it's pretty simple. So I'll save you the boredom and make the next section of the video pretty simple and straightforward. Step 1 is buzzing down the resin and making sure it's nice and keyed. Step 2 is putting 3 more layers of resin on there. Step 3, buzzing the surface down again. Step 4, trimming it up. And step 5, putting some lacquer on it. And now we've got the finished product. And there it is. Shiny, shiny carbon fibre. Still got to cut out these bits here. That's what those dimples are. I've got to cut those out for the tow hooks or tow eyes on the front of the car. There's a few little bits of dirt that landed in the lacquer, Surprise, surprise. So I've got to flap those down. So what I might do is run some Trizac around the front lip, because you're only going to see this section here. Yeah, and then fit it on, see how it looks. But yeah, shiny, shiny. Also, you remember I was saying I was playing around with the access panels. Well, there's a finished one. 2 layers of carbon fibre, purely carbon fibre, nothing else, just, yeah, just pure carbon fibre goodness. So that should look pretty sweet in the back of the bed. We'll do that after we put the front lip on, because that's going to be obviously more work to do, and we'll use this as like a treat at the end. Well, for myself anyway. Yeah, so let's start trimming that up and fitting it. That won't take long at all. All right, all bolted on now. That looks amazing. I'm really happy with that. Nice and shiny. It's solid. So let's get some. Might get some extra lighting down here because it's kind of dark. So I might put a little light down there just to kind of illuminate this bit while I put it on and show you guys what it looks like. Yeah, really happy. So let's get that put on. Right, saved you the boredom of me doing up all the bolts, all bits and pieces around it. So, and there it is. Yeah, that looks amazing. It looks so good. I'm unbelievably stoked with that. I can't. Yeah, it's just so cool. Try and give it some justice, but look at that. That looks so cool. This looks amazing. Just the carbon and carbon combination of the textures, colours. Everything, it just works so well. I'm so stoked on that. I love the little point there. That was kind of a bit of an impulse, but that worked out really nicely. What I might do is put some struts on the front there. Let me know what you guys think about that. I'm not too sure, but I think it might need it. Plus it'll fill up all these stupid holes, or some of the stupid holes in the front anyway. Yeah, but I am super happy with that. I hope you guys like it too. And say it's yeah, it's just cool. It's just so cool. Yeah, when you have an idea in your head and it eventually works out after lots of planning. Sorry about the shadow. I'm trying to get that's not working. Trying to get as much detail in there as possible. But yeah, we get up close. Focus. Yeah, carbon goodness. Yeah, so cool, so cool. And give you an idea of what this will look like. So imagine the whole bed with those guys in it, obviously all the way around. That one's not finished yet, but that's what it's going to look like. It's going to look cool. Really cool. I hope you like that. I filmed this over about 2 weeks, so if any of it doesn't really make any sense and the continuity's out a little bit, I apologise. I've just been really busy at work at the moment, so it's kind of hard to get everything done fairly quickly. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you liked it. Thank you to everyone that's watching and subscribing. Really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And I'll see you guys as soon as I possibly can. Take care.
Subscribe, you fools.